how to print from Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to print from your Android simply? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to go to your gallery and make sure that you have saved what you want to print there and then choose the photo. And then you'll find the three dots on the top right. Just tap on it and then you'll find print option right there. Tap on it and now you'll find copies, paper size letter on the top. Tap on the drop down and you can see what paper size you want, what color, what orientation that you want, how many pages that you want to print. And then you'll see a drop down on the very right side. Tap on it and then you can see all printers option. Tap on it and then you can choose the printer and connect it to print from your Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.